Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be one of the first people to apply for a job on LinkedIn. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you need to be on LinkedIn and have an account and be signed into that account. Then you want to go up to the search bar and you want to type in the job title of a job you want to apply for. Then press enter. Once the page has loaded, you want to click on the jobs button here. And once that's loaded, you want to go to the date posted filter, click on it, and click on past 24 hours. Then click on show results. And now you're going to see the jobs in the past 24 hours. But we can do better than that. So if you look at the URL, you're going to notice after TPR equals R, there's going to be a number. I want you to copy and paste that number and put it in a seconds to hour converter. If we do so, it's 24 hours. This number up here is the 24-hour filter is shown using seconds. So if we wanted to do 5 hours, we would put 5 in the seconds to hour converter, copy the seconds value here, and swap out 86400 with 18,000. Then we'll press enter on the URL. And if we click on a job, the only jobs to pop up are jobs in the past 5 hours. What if you do 0.5 hours, which is the equivalent of 30 minutes? We'll copy and paste in 1,800, and there was one business analyst job posted in the past 30 minutes. And now you can get a really good jump in applying early for a job. I have no idea if this increases your odds of getting the job, but it's a cool trick for you job hunters. And that's all you have to do. Just remember, in the URL for your job search, when you filter by 24 hours, after equals R, then the number. That number is just time in seconds, and you can change that to change it from 24 hours to be a few hours or a few minutes. Thanks to be the great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.